Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I'm coming with a brand new tool to help take my YouTube adventure to the next level. So this is the DJI Neo, and it's just a mini drone. So I'm going to be testing it out and showing you guys exactly what it can do, and just a little bit of extras to bring that visuals the way that I envisioned it in my head. All right, so this is the DJI Neo. This is not a sponsored video. This is just something that I picked up to invest in my page. You guys invest in me, so I want to invest in you by bringing you some good aerial footage. I like to travel and do my gardening stuff. Some aerial views I think will be pretty dope as far as bringing it different visual adaptations to the gardening life and travel life and other things. All right, you know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace. So it comes with 2 extra propellers, a screwdriver, and a charging cable. Also a set of instructions which I'm about to read. Testing. As you can see right here, we have some green onions. We still got some cabbage right here. We have some pomegranate buds right here. The way that the drone circles around me gives me a nice aerial perspective of everything around me, while I could stand here and look handsome. All right, guys, you know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.